Hi, welcome to Coding Bible channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Angular CLI and how to update your Angular CLI if you have already installed it. And we will talk about what is CLI. So let's start. We will open Start menu, write CMD, okay, to open command prompt. Now we will use Node Package Manager that we have already installed it in the last video. Okay, so we write npm install or I for short and dash global, or for short you can write -g, and I will tell you what is global, of course. Now write the package name, which is angular /CLI. Okay, and if you need to install a specific version of any library, for example, you have to write at and then the number of the version. But if you want to install the latest version, you just keep it like this. Okay, this command will install Angular CLI, but if we want to update it, you have to uninstall it, uninstall first, then install. This is how to update Angular CLI, and actually I will do this step because I have Angular 16 and Angular 17 was released in 6th of November, so we need to update it, as we said before in the first video, that our course will always be updated. So now let's update it now, or install it again. So now we update our Angular CLI, but if you don't have Angular installed on your device, you just use the command npm install -g and the name of the Angular CLI package. Now we want to confirm our installation. We write ng version, or we can write ngv for short. And as you can see, we have Angular 17 installed in our device. Okay, so now what's global? Global means that Angular CLI is installed in your C drive. So if you go to C, then users, your username, of course, on your device, then app data. This folder is should be hidden, but if you want to show it, you just open the folder options, okay, and then click here to show hidden files. Now open a folder, roaming, npm, and finally node modules, and you will find Angular and CLI in it. So this is only one package of Angular or one tool. That's it. But where all other packages or other tools of Angular, actually they are useless if you install them in your hard drive, because every project should has its own local version of Angular. Because, for example, if you have a project that is created using Angular 13, for example, and of course this project needs Angular 13 even if you have installed Angular 17. So for this problem, every project should have its own Angular version, and I will explain this in more details in the next video when we install or create a new project. So now, what is CLI? CLI stands for Command Line Interface, which means that it's just interface to write commands to do something. Okay, and Angular team creates this to make it easy for you to work in Angular. For example, if you want to create new project, just use command, and it will do everything for you. It will create all the project or the files or folders you need in your project, and that's it. Okay, so this is the end of the video, and if you have any problem during installing your Angular CLI, just tell us and we will help you to fix it. Thank you for watching.